Hey, Tobeda.
Barmin,
Hi, Tashapo.
how was the camp for you this weekend?
A bit challenging, eh?
In which way?
I had to be an attendant
Eh,
and I had to be an attendee
yeah,
because ke tsamaya le ngwana.
yeah.
So frustration ke fitla mo Friday ke o robala le nna o nyaka tente ya gago ba re e monna
Eh,
tloela monneo o
yeah,
tsamaya.
yeah.
Wena se ka tla mo re botšiša nna ngwana o kae wena ke re o tlile tente ya banneng o tlile gore ya banneng
Yeah.
ga gone le ngwane
Yeah, I joined it.
a
Yeah.
dule le thaka tšaga
Yeah.
and lemoga gore botse ka nako nngwe umbilical cord e tshwere ke rena re gana ka yone ga o la ga o la ketwane o bone gore na motho ke mang
Yeah.
a ke tsweletše
And then the problem one.
I wasn't about the problem. Every time he wanted consent over something, o tla nyaka mo ke leng gona re daddy I'm hungry daddy ke nyaka 1 2 3.
And go mukaka.
It's only 6.
Yeah.
He was the youngest
Utlitse
for this camp.
Yeah. Why utlitse so ill?
It's social exposure.
Yeah.
Social exposure re dula le bana ko magweng kwa. They don't get to interact in an open space. Flat it's very small. The only entertainment that it's about ke corridor, playground, phone, TV and it ends there.
By observation now monali mo open space.
That young man ran 5 kilometers.
Yeah. Okay, morning.
Yeah, he ran the 5 kilometers.
What?
And he completed it.
Yeah.
Le nana ke lapa ke nagana gore a motho go tlo fitla finish line before nama.
Plus go na list tips se sengwe.
Ere ke push. But it's an endurance. I mean, even this morning, he was asking me, are we doing a mile run now? Yes. I don't know, I'm not going to run. I'm going to walk it. That's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
And he
I
also,
recover.
he also completed it.
Yeah. So what's your take home from the camp?
Take home, in order to and then we get home, we get consumed by the noise and everything around us, like a tebala again. So it's necessary that we often come to camp just to recenter ourselves, to find ourselves, and
so what have you learned from Bana, the way we babolela ditaba tša bona ka bona?
We parenting Bana ka style se se wrong, ka system ya wrong.
How so?
Number one, we are projector re nyaka correct the mistakes tsa batswadi ba rena. Number two, we don't seek consent ya bona gore na ba nyaka go godishwa bona. We feel gore we know better. But at the end of the day, this is a complete individual at the age of 6. He can answer questions for himself. So many things he can do for himself. We are the ones who are boxing them, who are bottling them. So we need to let them be. We need to listen to them. Stop taking decisions for them. We decide sit down with him and say, this weekend. Are you comfortable with it? Are yes or no? And then you take it from there. Yeah. For 3 weeks. But the times have changed. We need to listen to them. We need to involve them in the things we do, in the decisions we take about their lives.
The youngest, go camp.
Hello, Karisho. How are you? How was camp? If you don't speak
camera. Camera or sign language. But no, you did a great job. And when I get like camp, this time around.
Lena, he took it upon himself to constantly remind me I made a promise that next camp gets Amale.
Yeah.
And so I delivered. Talking about that, it reminds me of one of the stories about the promises, the little promises we make to the kids that we don't fulfill. I will buy you this, buy it. I will call you, call the child. I will come see you, go see the child. o ska khotlisa ngwana wa re ke tla o rekela ka moswane o nagana go sa o lebetse. It builds resentment of sort, and bana ba qena ba se happy ka rena because re ba botsa maka, and o sa ba sa re tshepi ka taba tse digolo ra makala because we couldn't allow or couldn't be trusted ka dilo tse dinyana.
Gape it's something e le gore mo camp ba gateletse especially on Friday ya gore it is these little things,
the small things, it's
that
the small
matters.
things that matter.
Yeah.
Re emela dilo ebe tse digolo re go addressa dilo tse digolo, forgetting gore tsone tse dinyane tse are the things that matter, are the things that are important now, today, not yesterday, not now, but today. So the little things, the small promises, the small gestures of kindness to your brother, to your spouse, to your cousin, your colleague, it goes a long way.
Ra leboga.
Tata.
Ra re šala gabotse.